Hi there, another pack opening. Someone asked the other day if we could do a video of the opening of the Euro 2016 cards. We'd already done a few and didn't have any left. I was in Tesco's yesterday and I saw that they had a couple of these, and previously what they've done is these are the stickers, and obviously the retail price of these is £2.75, and for some reason on Tesco's system, when you scan the prices, these, instead of being £4.99, actually register on their system as £2.75. So obviously by buying these it works out a hell of a lot cheaper, because obviously these retail at £1 a pack, so that's obviously £6 worth, and obviously in the multi-packs here you get the limited edition. So we've got a couple of these just to do a video. So we'll open these up and we'll see what we get. So first of all, we have a Paul Pogba limited edition card. So like I say, as well as already getting very good value in this pack, we get the bonus of the limited edition card. So we'll open the packs up and see what we get. In the first pack we have Hubercan, Hoban, and then we have Gronkvist, then we have a Budescu Game Changer, then we have an 11 card, Pekovsky, PK, Gary Cahill, and Sigthorsson. You get 9 cards per pack, obviously slightly different to the match attacks where you get usually 10 cards per pack. In the second pack we've got Mac, Duckle Goal Machine, then we have Angoli, and then we have a friend and foe. Obviously we've got Müller and Lewandowski. They both play for Bayern Munich, but obviously Müller plays for Germany and Lewandowski plays for Poland. And then we've got a goal stopper, Tatarasanu. And we've got the Italy team logo, Darmian, Shalai, and Dragovic. On to the next packet. We've got Veloso, Ashley Williams, and then we have a Yilmaz Goal Machine card, and then we have a Goodmanson One to Watch, and a Neuer Goal Stopper. And then we've got a Passion and Pride card, this one for Wales. We have Fabregas, Florenzi, and Guerra. On to the fourth packet. We've got Oz Bayrakli, Kirikez, Forsberg, and then we have a Royce Game Changer card for Germany. And then we have a Czech Republic team logo. And then we have a Nangalan key player, Nikolic, Pranic, and Kevin De Bruyne. For the last couple of packs, then we have a Rakitsky, Tufan. Then we have a Perisic goal machine. Then we have a Kirikez defensive rock, and a next generation card with Hysaj and Ajeti. have a Busquets, key player, Skulason, Ramos and Sissoko. And then last and final pack. We've got Kesaru, Mczinski, O'Shea, we have a Perisic Kane changer, and then we have the official mascot card. If you look on the packets here, the official mascot card is 1 in, keep pulling those ones up. The mascot card is 1 in 42 packs, so that's a pretty cool card to get. Obviously 1 in 6. Then we've got a Kallstrom, key player. And we've got Kombarov, Vida and Klein. Yeah, so overall some pretty cool cards. Obviously a good card there with the official mascot. And then obviously we've got the limited edition Pogba card as well. And then obviously in the second multi-pack we've got obviously a different limited edition. This time we've got the limited edition card here. We've got his Götze for Germany, and obviously another 6 packs. So we'll just quickly whiz through these and see if there's anything that particularly stands out. We've got Houlihan, Barami, we've got Seamus Coleman, and then we've got another Friends and Foe, obviously Verratti and Ibrahimovic, obviously play for Italy and Sweden, but again obviously they're teammates at PSG. A top Joueur, Shaqiri, and another Next Generation card, just seen that one before. David Silva, Dynamo, and Charlotte, Dynamo, and Koscielny. Rotan, Aziz, Pella, and then we have a Schweinsteiger Expert. We have an Italy team logo, Moutinho, Boateng, Candreva and Skoda. And we've got Ignacevic, McCarthy, Bengtsson, and then we have a Making History for Iceland. I think Making History is because this is the first time they've appeared in a finals. Lewandowski, top Joueur, Tony Cruz, Chris Brunt, Jihaj and Bodvarsson. 3 more packs to go. Then we have Denisov, Lenjani, Rodriguez, and again the second part of the Wales Making History. Obviously we've got the first part in the first multi-pack, and then we've got the top scorers, obviously Lewandowski, Ibrahimovic and Müller. Obviously that's the number of goals that they scored in the qualifying competition. Krychowiak, Bjarnason, Lukaku and McGuinness. Then we've got Click, Ledley, Shukla, Sigthorsson, a Russia One to Watch with Shatov, and Slovenia, I presume, with the 11. And then we've got Piszczek, Griezmann and Desciglio. And then the final pack, we've got Mac, Dockle, a goalie, and then we have a Modric inventiveness card. We have a Muller Top Jour, a Double Trouble with Shane Long and John Walters, Konoplanka, Janozovic and Macaulay. Yes, overall some pretty cool cards, and like I say, fortunately at the moment these are on offer well, not necessarily on offer, but they're available in Tesco's for £2.75 rather than £4.95, so a bit of a bargain there. So maybe try and pop down to Tesco's to see if you can get your hands on some. But yeah, please like, subscribe and keep checking out the videos.